Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. For today's Scrappy Act, we have two versions of the Baby Girl mini album. They're both mini albums as they're not, full size 12 by 12, but I have a mini as in a 6 by 6 and a large version is an 8 by 8. They are the same exact album, but it's nice to see how you can do them in different sizes and still get the same sort of look to them. Of course, the larger will have more space for a little bit more, just a tad bit more, but I tried to keep it true to the mini version, just bigger. So I will go ahead and go through those now. We'll start with the first one. So with this first one, the 6 by 6 mini version was super cute because it's so tiny and adorable and everything just fits so cutely together and snugly. Of course, you have a little bit more space on the bigger one, which we'll see, but this one is undeniably cute. It's just so adorable. You will have to, you may have to sacrifice a little bit of the size of your photos, but I did still try to keep some areas for bigger photos as well. And so all the pages are going to mirror what is on the larger one, just a little bit tighter on here. You lose 2 inches, so it's not so much, but it is enough to show a little bit of a difference, and you'll notice that in the second one. I did speed up the video because it's going to be the same on both, and I just felt like, you're going to be seeing it twice. You don't need to see it slowed down. So I did speed up the videos, but you can always slow it down on your end or pause the video if you want to rewatch any of these pages being made. But I did appreciate how adorable it was, and it was just so much fun to make. But I'll let you watch the rest of the video. And that was it. And now we are at the 8 by 8 large version. And because it was larger, I did need to add. So I added some more with other papers. You'll see that hot pink metallic looking paper. I actually got that paper from Dollar Tree. It was really nice to work with. But these papers are the same paper pack that I got from Amazon. I ended up having 2 packs, so it worked out where I can do this small one and this big one, but there were some areas where I had to like supplement, and you'll see that with the pink paper and then the cream paper as well to supplement and for the space, since it's a larger space that I have to fill, and I didn't want to also put too much bulk by putting paper on paper on paper, and I just wanted to simplify it a little bit. But yeah, because it's so much larger, you do have to supplement with other papers. But this one came out so cute as well. You can see how some areas you have more, if it's just a little bit more elbow room and you have a little bit more space to do things. Of course, some of the papers, the insides are going to look a little bit different because of the paper it had, but the functionality of each page is still the same. It's just maybe a little bit bigger in this section that it was in the other one. But yeah, I'll let you watch the rest of this one, and I really enjoyed them both. But this one I think was also really cool because of the after making it such a tight one, I felt like I had more freedom with this one. And that was both of the albums. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.